Now, in an encouraging development, the ECI yesterday announced that people living in the relief camps in Strife-Torn state of Manipur will be allowed to vote from their camps in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. This was announced by Chief Election Commissioner CEC Rajiv Kumar during the press conference held yesterday in New Delhi. The CEC said the Commission will make all arrangements to enable the inmates to exercise their franchises. He said the Commission have drawn a scheme which we have notified to allow the voters in the camp to vote from the camp. Now, similar scheme was also implemented for Jammu and Kashmir migrants, he continued. Voters will be allowed to vote from the respective camps from the lower constituency to higher and higher to lower, added Rajiv Kumar, while appealing to the voters, let the Commission decide through the ballot. Now, there are over 60,000 people staying in different relief centers after they were displaced during the ethnic clash, which erupted in the evening of May 3rd last year.